Hello, students. I hope you had all watched the videos which we had discussed, the lesson number 4, lesson number 3 in 4th standard, a trip to Bhopal. That all exercises also then and that time I had solved and shown. So today we will do some more practice from your practice book or the workbook. Two questions again I will explain related to this same chapter. So today we can see one question. It is also the name given outdoor trip. So the question given like that. You can see on the screen. It is from your workbook page number 27 and 28. So all of them listen. Tarun went to an adventure island along with his family. So earlier you had studied a group of children from Hosangabad school went to Bhopal. Approximately 210 children went in that. So today here one boy Tarun went to an adventure island along with his family. There were different rides, out of which they took some rides. Each had a different ticket price and also different duration, which is as follows. So the uh, coming part you can see the ticket rate and the name of the rides, which one each member had selected. You can see that. Just go through that. Students, you can open your workbook page number 28. That same exercise I am also explaining here. So you will get a more practice on this topic. So the different types of adventure uh, rides the Tarun and his family members selected are Cyclone. It is ticket rate is rupees 20 and the duration of one ride is 22 minutes. And second type is space jump, rupees 15 and time taken 15 minutes. Third type splash down, rupees 30 and 10 minutes. And last one swan boat, rupees 25 and 20 minutes. These are the rates of the rides and their ticket price and the duration. Now, related to that, some questions are printed and one by one I will read and you can see the answer also. That place itself I had written. So, what you have to do, you can copy in your notebook or workbook. It is up to you. You can write because it is a revision part of the chapter. So first one, now answer the following questions. Which ride makes 4 rounds in an hour? Look at the chart properly. Question is, which ride makes 4 rounds in an hour? 1 hour, an hour means 1 hour. So 4 rides. So you can see the timing 22 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So when we will multiply these numbers, 60 answer coming, that will be the possibility. So 15 multiplied by 4, 15 fours are 60. So which ride can be taken 4 times? That is space jump. So answer is given. Space jump ride makes 4 rounds. That means 15 multiplied by 4 equal to 60 minutes. That is in 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So in 1 hour, space jump ride can make 4 rounds. Now, question number B. Which rides take less than or equal to 15 minutes to complete one round? Question carefully read. Which rides take less than or equal to 15 minutes to complete one round? There are different rides given. From that you can select the correct one. Less than you can see less than 15 minutes. Which one is there? Splash down. It is only 10 minutes. So less than splash down takes 10 minutes. That is less than 15 minutes. And equal to 15 minutes. That is space jump takes 15 minutes. So second one is space jump takes 15 minutes to complete one round. So the correct answers I had underlined also: splash down and space jump. Third question. Which ride gives them the least time taking the most money? More money and less time. That is the question. Which ride gives them the least time? Least means the lowest, and the most money, maximum money. You can see from the four options, you can see that cyclone 20 rupees, space jump 15 rupees, splashdown 30 rupees, swan boat 25 rupees. And time duration you can see cyclone 22 minutes, space jump 15 minutes, splashdown 10 minutes, and swan boat 20 minutes. So which is the correct answer here? Splashdown, it is rupees 30, maximum money and less time. How much time? 10 minutes. So answer is splashdown. Now D. Tarun went twice for taking rides. He paid a total of rupees 50 and took ride for 32 minutes. Which two rides did he took? That also you can see from the column. You can select cyclone ride rupees 20 and splashdown 30. So 20 plus 30 equal to 50 rupees. So he paid 50 rupees. So which two rides he had taken? Cyclone ride and splashdown. And duration he told 32 minutes. So cyclone is 22 minutes and splashdown is 10 minutes. So 22 plus 10, 32. So that is the answer. Now, next number. Tarun, along with his family, went for the swan boat. Swan boat is rupees 25 and time is 20 minutes. Now, they paid 125 rupees in total. How many people went for the swan boat? How many members or how many people went for that ride? Not mentioned, but total money paid it is given 125 rupees, and one person's cost is 25 rupees. So how many person might be gone? That 125 divided by 25 equal to 5. So 5 persons of his family went for swan boat ride. Next one. Tarun and his brother Varun first went for cyclone and then took space jump. How much total money did they pay for both the rides? Two persons, Tarun and Varun. So one person cyclone ride is 20 rupees, and they also went space jump. Space jump one person's 15 rupees. So two persons we have to multiply. So cyclone 20 multiplied by 2 equal to 40 rupees. Space jump 15 multiplied by 2 equal to 30 rupees. So total money paid equal to 40 plus 30 equal to 70 rupees. So they paid 70 rupees. Now related to one more question is there. How much time did they get for both rides? Here you see the time also given. Cyclone, how much time it is taking? 22 minutes. And for space jump, how much time it is taking? 15 minutes. So 22 plus 15 equal to 37 minutes. So they both, Tarun and his brother, went for cyclone and space jump, paid 70 rupees, and time taken for both rides equal to 37 minutes. So students, today I had done one example from your workbook which is related to same type question. So you practice, you copy in your notebooks all the questions and the steps detail given, write in your notebook, and extra questions we will send afterwards. So for the time being, along with the lesson, what notes I am giving, that you have to copy in your notebook. And after the whole lesson completing, videos over, then we will send the exercises in PDF. So thank you. You have to complete your work then and that day. We will meet again tomorrow.